Hey folks, I'm Walter, and a question that comes up is, should I book things in advance or should I wait till I get on the ship and see if there's specials going on? Well, if there's things that you absolutely positively want to do, excursions, certain specialty meals, cooking classes, activities, things like that, you should definitely book in advance and book as soon as those bookings open. Now, there's no standard among the cruise lines. Some cruise lines let you start booking things the moment you book your cruise. Others have a window, such as 60, 30 days out, then you can start booking. But if there are things that you absolutely want to do, book it in advance. We're going on a cruise in a little over a month, and pretty much all the cooking classes are already sold out on the ship 1 month before we even get there. Now, if you have onboard credit, you may not want to book in advance because you might have to use it once you're on board. And yes, there usually are some sort of specials when you come on board that first day. For instance, we found that specialty dining is very often discounted on the first day because everybody wants to go to the main dining room. But in general, if there's something you really want to do on that cruise, book it in advance the moment that reservation window opens up. Now, what about you? Do you like to have everything planned out and booked in advance, or do you just kind of take your chances and book once you get on board?